Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to clean noise from audio. So first we have to open our Premiere Pro, go to File, New Project, just give it a name, Clean Noise, click OK. So there are many videos where you get a lot of background noise that is very frustrating. So we'll learn how to clean it within 30 seconds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag a video that has some background noise. So once we have the video, just let's play to hear it. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. So can you hear a background song being played here? So we're gonna remove or try to minimize that sound effect. So select this audio part, right click and just click edit clip in Adobe Audition. You need to have Adobe Audition installed for this. Once you have opened Adobe Audition and once you open it, just kind of play, hear it, what it is there. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. So just select a part that has minimum wavefront, press Command Shift P, click on Capture Noise Print and press spacebar. It's just a casual. Select entire file. So we are just approaching the bank. And now just play with noise reduction to hear what the audio seems like. If it is getting clean, just put it more towards this part, 90, 100. Just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. Click on apply. So you see the wavefront has been minimized. And now let us play it again. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. And now just click close, save changes, yes, and now just hear it again. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. So you see that means our background noise has reduced a bit substantially. So this is how you clean noise from audio. When the background noise is more, it can be more evident. So in the next video we're gonna see how to create vlogs quickly.